not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm Marissa Ray. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I got these super gorgeous feed-in braids, and they are very long, so they come, well, not very long, but they come like to my hip, kind of past my butt from the back, but they are pretty decent and long. So I decided to do 14 braids, so I have like 7 on each side and a part in the middle. I'm going to show y'all the hair I use and also the products that I use. So here I have this Zury kanekalon hair, braiding hair. This is only $1.99 and I got it in the color 2. And then I also have this Freetress braid for the ends, and it's the Cozy Deep 20-inch in the color 2. I think this was only like $4.99 or something. But anywho, I only used literally 1 pack of this Zury braiding hair and like not even half of this. Probably like a fourth, maybe a fifth, because I did cut it in half. So very affordable hairstyle. 1 pack and 1 pack. So literally this is all you need if you do it how I did it. For products, I have this Shine and Jam for sure. This is a go-to whenever I'm doing any type of braid style. I have this Creme of Nature Style and Foam Mousse. This is just to secure the ends of my hair and make this all lay down. And then you want some type of curl, or not really curl, but some type of moisturizer for your hair. So I'm using this one. And to oil my scalp, I just use Jamaican black castor oil. For actually doing the style, you're going to need a wide tooth comb, a rat tail comb with the little tail at the end, the metal tail, some scissors, nail glue, which is just any nail glue that you can get from like the dollar store, and then just some hair clips. I almost forgot to mention, it took me about 8 hours, maybe 7 hours to do this total style. I originally tried to pre-stretch my hair, but it was pointless, so I ended up having to fix the braids as I went along. So if you would like to see how I achieved this look, super affordable, super cute, then just keep watching. Okay y'all, so I'm gonna apologize right now for the quality right now. I don't know if it's bad or what, but this is on my phone. But anywho, I just wanted to show y'all how I do these last little 2 braids right here. This is what they're looking like so far. It's really helpful if you have 2 cameras, not 2 cameras y'all, I almost said 2 phones, 2 mirrors to work with. So one behind you, one in front of you, so that you can, you know, navigate much easier. This is so much easier. They may not look the perfectest, y'all, but I think they look pretty doggone good. Okay, so I like to take some of that cocoa cream coil enhancing moisture butter, just because it's kind of buttery. And I'm gonna actually put this on both of these together, mainly on my ends. Put the Shine and Jam up here. So I'll start where I have the good lighting first in the front, and I'm just gonna section this into 2, trying my best to follow like my head shape and curving around my ear. And you just want to make it as even as you possibly can, darling. All right, then I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see me here. And it's not easy to do this. Okay, that's gonna have to do. So taking the Shine and Jam, again, I'm just gonna like go through this part. Then I'm gonna use these little clips. Oh, if y'all can see them. just to kind of make sure the hair is really super out of the way. Let me hurry up, child. I'm almost done. Praise Jesus. Hallelujah. Thank you, Lord. All right, and then I'm just taking this shining gem and just slicking down, you know, slicking the parts or whatever down. I'm not going to really add in the hair until I get more towards the bottom. By the way, with these middle rows, these ones in the middle where my hair is thicker, I did not add in hair until I got like to here. My braid was like here. So for example, I didn't really add in hair to like this one or almost pretty much all of these until I got like to here or to here, because my hair is thick enough to where in the size that I wanted it, to where I didn't need to add in no extra hair right there. But on the sides, like on this side and this side, I think I did add in hair, so I might have to add in on this side as well. But I have my hair sectioned just right here on this little chair. I didn't use my threading rack because I just didn't feel like it. So let's get started. I might not talk much through this. My arms be hurting and I'm really tired, but well, I'm not really tired. I'm just tired of doing this. Like, I feel fine, but I'm tired of doing this. As y'all can see, I'm just separating this piece of hair into 3 sections in the front, just to do a normal cornrow braid. So I'm not really going through the details of how I cornrow, but I do cornrow underhand. So I just like grab the hair or grab the piece of hair with my right hand, and then also, you know, go under and then grab the piece of hair with my left hand. Just a normal cornrow to begin with.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hopefully y'all can see. Right now I'm literally just doing a normal cornrow. I'm gonna add in a piece now, put it in between my pointer and thumb, and then tuck it under my pointer finger here. So like that. And then just pick the hair up and continue braiding like normal. Very easy, very simple, honestly. It's really not that difficult. I thought it was gonna be so hard to do, but it's actually very easy. Not very hard at all to do. Once I get to that side, I turn back around to look in the good mirror where I have some better lighting. And I'm literally just gonna keep braiding as if I'm braiding a normal, like, you know, a normal plait. If you need help with actually like doing a plait, like a normal plait, search some videos on YouTube, because honestly, I think I've said this in another video of mine. Oh, I'm just using a rat tail comb to comb out my hair, and then use some more shining gem to kind of start smoothing out the ends of my hair and try to make sure it's all nice and even, and like, you know, there's no lumps and bumps and stuff, although some may come up. I don't really care too much, but you know, it is what it is. As I start getting closer to the end of my hair, now I'm going to add in more of the braiding hair and just feed it in, because I don't want the braid to get too thin at the bottom. So same way, I always put it around my pointer and thumb and put the hair underneath my pointer finger, or in between my pointer and my thumb, like that. Then I pick up this side and cross the other side over. Make sure it's tight and secure. And there you have it. And you just keep going, and it should look like a pretty seamless braid. I don't know why I was talking so much while braiding, but anywho, what I'm doing here is just adding the shining gem to the ends of my hair. And I do this, of course, just to make my hair blend in with the braid a little better. Even though it's a different color, it just makes it look a lot more smooth. What I like to do is pull the other ones to the front to compare the size, everything like that. So if I feel like I need more hair to add in, I just add in here. These are the clipped off pieces, So it's shorter because I don't need the hair super long. Anywho, I'm gonna just go and finish this braid. And once I get to the end, I'm gonna show y'all how to add in the curly piece and how I secure it. Here's the little curly piece. Once I get about here, a little bit above where I'm actually gonna stop it, I add in the curly piece the same exact way in between my pointer and thumb. And I just keep going. Yeah, so once I get about there, actually a little bit above there, I'm going to use some nail glue, which is, this is just some basic nail glue from the beauty supply, or I'm sorry, from like Family Dollar or something like that. But I literally just put the nail glue right here, right where I want to seal the end. But it is super sticky and super strong, so try not to inhale too much of it because it's really strong. All right, and then once that's good, I just take this right here, the curly pieces. So I take all the curly pieces and move the straight pieces. And I have some handy dandy scissors, preferably hair scissors. They just have usually kind of like sharper in a way. And I'm just gonna cut the end, literally just cut it off like that. Add some more nail glue just to secure that part and lay that piece down. And I know y'all probably can't see it as well as you usually would if I was recording on my camera, but you get the point. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. I'll definitely answer. I always answer questions. Boom, then you got your braid, your nice little braid. Oh, look at her. She looks good, huh? All right, now the last thing that I do on this braid that I'm gonna talk through is just clip the little flyaways. You probably can't really tell on my phone camera. You really cannot really tell on this camera, but I just clip away those flyaways that, you know, you get when you have braids and whatnot. I'm finna do this last little braid. I'm not gonna talk through this one. Y'all will see the finished look, I'm trying to say final and finished. Y'all will see the finished look after all later, okay?
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
All done, all done, all done. Okay. Oh, thank you, Jesus, I'm done. What I want to do now is just use some Jamaican black castor oil. I already put this on my scalp when I blow dried my hair because I started off with my hair blow dried. But I'm just gonna use some foam, and I'm literally gonna put this in my hands, yeah, just all over my head basically. Just gonna tie my scarf, satin scarf that I love. It's big too. I will catch y'all in a little bit, okay? All right, y'all, I really hope you enjoyed watching today's video. It was super, let me not say easy, but it was easy. It just took me a while because cornrowing on your own head and parting your hair is just extremely ridiculously tiring. So yeah, but other than that, I would definitely be doing this style again. It's affordable, fairly easy, just takes practice, and I really enjoy it. I like how it looks. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at marissa.w. Subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and like this video if you like this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.